This week in the stock market felt like riding a roller coaster, except someone forgot to tell us there's no safety harness. Let's dive into what went down between March 24th and 28th, and spoiler alert, it wasn't pretty. So here's the headline. The markets were about as cheerful as a Monday morning. The S&P 500 dropped 1.5%, the Nasdaq plunged 2.6%, and the Dow Jones slid 1%. If you're wondering which sectors managed to dodge this mess, consumer defensive came out swinging with a 1.4% gain, while energy barely held its ground at negative 0.1%. Technology? Oh boy. It tanked 3.5%, making it the week's punching bag. And if you thought sentiment might offer some hope, think again. The CNN Fear and Greed Index is stuck at 22, firmly in extreme fear territory. Meanwhile, the VIX Volatility Index is sitting at 22, flashing bright warning lights for anyone who thought this was a good time to go all in. Let's talk winners and losers, because every week has them, even in a bloodbath like this one. On the bright side, W.R. Berkley Corporation soared 12.7%, probably because insurance companies thrive on chaos. Dollar Tree Incorporated climbed 9%, proving that cheap stuff is recession-proof. But on the flip side, Broadcom Incorporated nosedived an eye-watering 11.8%, followed closely by GE Vernova Incorporated at 9.3%. But wait, there's one shiny nugget in this mess. Gold prices hit a record high at $3,086.70 per ounce, up 1.7% this week. Why? Because it's when everything else crashes, investors run to gold like it's their grandma's warm apple pie. And now for some economic spice, the Q4 GDP came in, slightly better than expected at 2.4%, but still lower than last quarter's 3.1% growth rate, so don't pop the champagne just yet. Meanwhile, inflation refuses to chill. Core PCE rose to 2.8%, above forecasts. Looking ahead to next week, we've got some big hitters lined up. ISM Manufacturing PMI on Tuesday, forecast at 50.3, which is basically meh. Non-farm payrolls on Friday, expected at 151,000, so keep your eyes peeled for labor market drama, and that's your weekly recap. If you survived this week without throwing your monitor out the window, congrats! Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more market madness, and let me know in the comments if you're Team Bull or Bear. Until next time.